Health Break is sponsored by Mission Health.
Care Partners Rehabilitation Hospital offers inpatient therapy for those with illnesses and injuries, such as stroke, spinal cord injuries, joint replacements, and amputations. Clinical Nurse Coordinator Melissa Rumbo explains how Care Partners helps these patients get back to a fuller, more independent life.
Learning to walk again, and for some, it's learning to adapt to wheelchairs or a new artificial limb. For others, it's relearning daily tasks after a new brain injury. You may need to learn how to talk again or eat regular food. You will have a dedicated team of physicians, nurses, and therapists and other specialists who will help you along the way in getting our patients back to their independence and back home with their family.
To learn more, go to missionhealth.org/healthbreak.